how much should you actually spend on a sonic facial cleansing brush? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush Pink. Let's kick things off with the Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush in pink. Priced at just $9.99, this little gem caught my eye with its compact design and unique heating feature. If you want a gentle yet effective cleansing experience, this is worth a serious look. This brush offers 5 adjustable vibration levels. The first 3 are perfect for cleansing, working with your favorite facial cleanser to get rid of oils and makeup residue, while levels 4 and 5 are all about that soothing massage. The heated metal end reaches a cozy 40 degrees Celsius, which can help your skincare products sink in better after cleansing. And with over 9,000 units sold this month, it looks like many are hopping on the bandwagon. Now, I did notice some complaints about how the vibrations can feel a bit intense, especially on sensitive skin. Here's the thing though, if you have tougher skin or simply prefer a more vigorous cleanse, you'll likely find it refreshing rather than irritating. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and efficient way to cleanse and massage your skin. Skip this one if you're super sensitive to vibrations or looking for a high-end feel. For just under $10, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if that heated feature didn't quite impress you, the next product might just blow your mind with its deep cleaning capabilities.
Product number 2, Coastless FPS 01 Facial Cleansing Brush. Next up is the Coastless FPS 01 Facial Cleansing Brush, retailing at about 99.9% of dirt and oil. If you're looking for a brush that delivers serious cleansing, this one's for you. This brush features 5 cleaning modes, which allows customization based on your skin type. It's designed to deeply cleanse your pores and even helps with blackhead removal. With its 50-day battery life, you can use it without constantly worrying about recharging. Plus, it's compact and waterproof, making it perfect for travel. That said, a few users found the different modes a bit confusing at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. So if you're someone who values effective cleaning over simplicity, you might just love this. This is perfect for you if you want a portable brush with serious cleaning power. Skip this if you prefer a simple device without multiple modes. At this price point, it's a great deal for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a luxurious experience.
Product number 3, Michael Todd Beauty Soniclear. Now, let's talk about the Michael Todd Beauty Soniclear, which comes in at $83.40. I'll be real with you, this isn't the cheapest option, but it's received rave reviews. If you're serious about skincare and want a brush that combines cleansing with exfoliation, this is worth checking out. This brush includes both a cleansing head and a serum infusion head, which means you can do it all in one device. It has 4 speeds to cater to different skin concerns, and the patented antimicrobial bristles keep your brush fresh and free from bacteria. Plus, it's waterproof and rechargeable, making it suitable for daily use. Now, the price tag might raise some eyebrows. Some people might feel it's too pricey for a facial brush, but if you're investing in your skin's health, this could be a game changer. The automatic timer feature also ensures you're not overdoing it, which I genuinely appreciated. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality, multifunctional brush. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or just starting your skincare journey. It's certainly a splurge, but the quality reflects that. Now, if you want something a bit more budget-friendly while still effective, the next product may just fit the bill. Product number 4, Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush, Black. Up next is another from Prytech, this time the Facial Cleansing Brush in black for $14.24. I was drawn to its striking design and the promise of deep cleaning with its vibrating feature. If you want something reliable that doesn't break the bank, this is worth considering. This brush also features 5 vibration levels, like its pink counterpart, with the same heated metal end to enhance serum absorption. Its soft silicone bristles are gentle on the skin, while still effective at clearing away impurities. It's compact and easy to store, making it perfect for daily use.
However, some users mentioned the battery life didn't last as long as expected. That said, for a brush at this price, I wouldn't call it a deal breaker. Just keep your charger handy. This is perfect for you if you're after a dependable cleansing brush that's effective and affordable. Skip this one if you need an ultra-long battery life or prefer a more luxurious feel. For under 15 bucks, you're getting a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something that combines functionality with a little extra pampering, the next product will not disappoint.
Product number 5, Nora Kula CLIE Facial Cleansing Brush. Last but not least is the Nora Kula CLIE Facial Cleansing Brush, priced at $34.99. This brush piqued my interest with its unique dual functionality, cleaning and massaging. If you want a refreshing experience that goes beyond just cleansing, this might be your new best friend. The CLIE brush uses ultra-soft silicone to gently cleanse while removing 99% of dirt and oil. With a reverse side that massages your skincare products into your skin, it promotes better absorption and circulation. The suggested routine is just 3 minutes long, which is super manageable for anyone on a tight schedule. Some have mentioned that it took a bit of getting used to the 2-in-1 feature, but honestly, once you incorporate it into your routine, it can feel like a luxurious spa treatment at home. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable brush that provides a full facial experience. Skip this if you're looking for something that only focuses on cleansing. At around 35 bucks, it's a fantastic value for the dual benefits it offers.
So, to wrap it up, we've explored 5 great options. The Prytech Facial Cleansing Brush, pink and black, the costless FBS01, the Michael Todd Beauty Soniclear, and the Nora Kula CLIE. Each has its unique strengths and price points. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly, multifunctional, or luxury, there's something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find the perfect brush for your skincare needs.